Have you noticed a decrease in your muscle strength or definition? You're certainly not alone. For many older adults, muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, is an unavoidable aspect of aging. However, there's no need for concern. There's good news. Medical professionals are now recommending 5 essential nutrients that can help counteract muscle decline and support your ongoing strength. In this video, we'll guide you through how incorporating zinc, iron, vitamin E, potassium, and protein into your diet can preserve and even enhance muscle strength. These nutrients are absolutely vital for maintaining vitality and an active lifestyle as you age. Keep watching to learn how you can strengthen your muscles with simple yet effective changes to your diet. You might assume that building muscle requires hours in the gym lifting weights, but the truth is, proper nutrition is key. Strength training breaks down your muscles, but it's during recovery that your body rebuilds them, making them stronger. Here's the crucial point. Building muscle requires more than just exercise. If your body isn't receiving the right nutrients, your recovery process will be compromised, and muscle loss will continue. Even if you're working out diligently, without the necessary nutrients, you might actually be at risk of losing muscle instead of gaining it. Therefore, it's essential to nourish your body with the nutrients it needs. If you're not getting enough protein or lacking essential vitamins and minerals, you may be hindering your muscle building potential. So what's the solution? The answer lies in fueling your body with the right foods to promote recovery and muscle strength. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the specific foods you can eat to prevent muscle loss and build strength. This could be the breakthrough you need. Now that we understand the importance of nutrition for muscle health, let's take a closer look at the 5 vital nutrients doctors recommend for seniors to fight muscle decline and maintain strength as they age. These nutrients are indispensable for keeping your muscles healthy, strong, and capable of supporting you in daily life. Number 1. Iron. Iron plays a critical, yet often underappreciated role in muscle health by ensuring your muscles receive the oxygen they need to function optimally. Iron helps circulate oxygen throughout your body, and without adequate oxygen, your muscles would struggle to perform at their best, whether you're exercising or recovering. Think of iron as the delivery service, ensuring that oxygen reaches your muscle tissues, where it's most needed. During any physical activity, whether it's weightlifting, walking, or practicing yoga, your muscles require oxygen to generate energy. The more intense your exercise, the greater the need for oxygen in your muscles. If your iron levels are low, your muscles won't receive the oxygen they need, leading to fatigue, weakness, and prolonged recovery. This is especially concerning for older adults, as muscle fatigue can reduce mobility and hinder an active lifestyle. Iron also plays an important role in energy production. Without sufficient iron, your body can't produce enough hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen throughout your system. This can result in shortness of breath, dizziness, and exhaustion, even before your muscles are fully engaged. Fortunately, iron-rich foods are easy to incorporate into your daily meals, and many of them also provide additional nutrients that support muscle health. Spinach, for instance, is not only rich in iron but also contains magnesium and potassium, which are crucial for muscle function. Lentils and beans offer a fantastic plant-based source of iron and provide fiber that supports digestion. For those who consume animal-based products, lean meats such as beef and poultry are rich in heme iron, the form of iron that's most easily absorbed by the body. To ensure optimal iron absorption, consider combining plant-based and animal-based sources in your diet. Additionally, pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C, such as adding orange slices or a tomato salad to your meal, can enhance the absorption of iron. Iron is not just essential for fueling workouts. It's also vital for maintaining energy levels and muscle strength throughout daily life. By eating iron-rich foods such as spinach, lentils, red meat, and fortified cereals, you can keep your muscles oxygenated and your energy levels high, allowing you to stay active and independent as you age. Number 2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in maintaining muscle health and facilitating recovery. As we age or engage in intense physical activity, muscle tissue naturally experiences wear and tear. Vitamin E helps protect muscles from oxidative stress, which occurs when harmful molecules, called free radicals, damage cells and tissues. This damage can lead to inflammation, muscle soreness, and slower recovery. Vitamin E's antioxidant properties neutralize these free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and ensuring the health of your muscle tissues. Moreover, vitamin E is not only essential for protecting your muscles, but also for promoting faster recovery. After a workout, your muscles undergo a repair process where damaged fibers are rebuilt and strengthened. Vitamin E helps minimize muscle inflammation, reducing soreness and accelerating recovery. For seniors, this becomes especially significant, as recovery tends to slow with age, and vitamin E can aid in maintaining efficiency throughout the process. Beyond its muscle benefits, vitamin E is also essential for maintaining healthy skin, tissues, and cells. Its anti-inflammatory properties contribute to skin health, helping reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Therefore, vitamin E supports not just muscle vitality, but overall well-being and youthful energy. To incorporate more vitamin E into your diet, consider adding foods such as almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds. Almonds are an excellent source of vitamin E and provide healthy fats that benefit overall health. Spinach, a nutrient-rich leafy green, offers a combination of vitamin E and other muscle-friendly nutrients, including iron, magnesium, and potassium. Sunflower seeds are another great option, providing a convenient snack that boosts your vitamin E intake. For seniors, a regular intake of vitamin E has far-reaching benefits. It supports muscle recovery, promotes skin health, and helps combat the effects of oxidative stress. By including almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds in your meals, you can ensure that your body has the support it needs to fight muscle inflammation and maintain strength as you age. Number 3. Zinc. Zinc is a powerful but often overlooked mineral when it comes to maintaining muscle health. This crucial nutrient plays an integral role in muscle repair and growth. During exercise, particularly strength training, your muscle fibers undergo microscopic tears that need to be repaired for growth to occur. Zinc is key to protein synthesis, the process through which your body generates the proteins necessary to rebuild muscle tissue. Without adequate zinc, this process can slow down, making it harder to build or retain muscle mass. But that's not all. Zinc also supports cell growth, an essential component of maintaining healthy muscle cells as you age. For seniors, cell regeneration becomes increasingly important, as the body's natural repair mechanisms begin to decline with age. Zinc's role in cell division and growth is crucial for combating muscle loss and maintaining optimal muscle function. In addition to its benefits for muscle health, zinc is also known for its immune-boosting properties. This mineral helps strengthen the immune system, which is vital for staying healthy and preventing illnesses that could further impair muscle health. As we age, our immune systems naturally weaken, and having sufficient zinc can help protect you from infections, making it easier to remain active and continue strengthening your muscles. Incorporating more zinc into your diet is easy, and there are plenty of delicious options. Zinc-rich foods include pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, cashews, and lentils. These plant-based sources are rich in zinc and other essential nutrients like fiber and healthy fats, which support overall health. Animal-based sources such as red meat, poultry, and shellfish are also excellent options, although plant-based sources are a great choice for those on vegetarian or vegan diets. A simple way to increase your zinc intake is by adding a handful of pumpkin seeds or cashews to your daily snack. These small but powerful foods can significantly enhance your muscle health and overall well-being. Number 4. Potassium. Potassium is an essential nutrient that plays a pivotal role in muscle function and overall health. As an electrolyte, potassium helps regulate fluid balance in your body, ensuring that muscles can contract and relax properly. Without sufficient potassium, muscle function can be compromised, leading to muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue, issues that are particularly common as we age. Potassium's role in muscle health is directly linked to its ability to maintain fluid balance within and outside of cells. This is especially important during physical activity, as potassium supports efficient muscle contractions and helps prevent cramps. Low potassium levels can also contribute to muscle weakness and fatigue, making it more challenging to stay active, maintain muscle mass, and reduce the risk of falls and injuries, concerns that are more pressing for seniors. Fortunately, increasing your potassium intake is simple. Foods rich in potassium can help replenish this vital nutrient and support muscle health. Bananas are a well-known source of potassium and make an ideal post-exercise snack, helping restore fluid balance. Sweet potatoes are another excellent source, offering both complex carbohydrates and potassium to fuel your body. Additionally, spinach is a potassium-rich leafy green that supports muscle function and provides essential nutrients like magnesium and iron. Other potassium-rich foods include avocados, tomatoes, and beans, all of which offer additional health benefits such as supporting heart health and aiding digestion. To easily boost your potassium intake, incorporate a side of spinach or sweet potatoes into your meals, or enjoy a banana as a snack. Maintaining adequate potassium levels is essential for preventing muscle cramps, supporting optimal muscle function, and promoting overall well-being. As you age, potassium plays a crucial role in keeping your muscles strong and active, so make sure to prioritize this nutrient in your diet to maintain independence and vitality. Number 5. Protein. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle health, making it a non-negotiable nutrient for anyone looking to preserve or build muscle mass, particularly as they age. Every time you engage in physical activity, especially strength training, your muscles experience tiny tears. With proper nutrition, your body can repair and rebuild these muscle fibers, and protein is the key nutrient that facilitates this process. During exercise, muscle fibers are broken down, and without sufficient protein, the repair process cannot fully occur, which may hinder your muscle-building efforts. For seniors, this becomes even more critical, as protein helps maintain or increase muscle mass, providing the amino acids necessary to rebuild and strengthen muscles after exertion. In addition to aiding muscle repair, protein plays an essential role in muscle synthesis, the creation of new muscle fibers. By consuming adequate protein, you not only ensure effective recovery, but also promote muscle growth, which is crucial for maintaining strong and resilient muscles as you age. To optimize muscle health, include a variety of protein-rich foods in your diet, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy products. These foods provide the essential amino acids your body needs to support muscle repair and growth. For vegetarians or those seeking plant-based options, tofu, lentils, and quinoa are excellent sources of protein that can contribute to muscle maintenance. Adequate protein intake is essential for muscle recovery and growth. By prioritizing protein in your diet, you can ensure that your muscles stay strong, functional, and healthy as you age, helping you maintain an active, independent lifestyle. Why protein is important for seniors? As we age, it's natural for muscle mass to decline, a condition known as sarcopenia. This process makes protein intake even more important for seniors, as it helps slow down muscle loss and maintain strength. Adequate protein consumption supports the preservation of lean muscle mass, enhances muscle strength, and boosts overall vitality, enabling seniors to stay active and independent. The great news is that protein can easily be added to your diet through a variety of delicious and nutritious foods. Some of the best sources of high-quality protein include chicken, eggs, tofu, and Greek yogurt. Let's take a closer look at each of these. Chicken, a lean, accessible source of protein. Chicken provides the essential amino acids needed for muscle recovery and growth. It's versatile, easy to prepare, and works in a variety of dishes. Eggs. Eggs are packed with protein and contain all the essential amino acids your body requires for muscle repair. Additionally, eggs are rich in vital nutrients such as vitamin D and B vitamins, which support bone and muscle health. Tofu. For those following a plant-based diet, tofu is an excellent source of protein. Made from soybeans, it provides a complete protein profile and is a great alternative to animal products. It's also rich in iron and calcium, essential for both muscle and bone health. Greek yogurt. Known for its thick, creamy texture, Greek yogurt is packed with protein, especially the strain variety, which contains twice the protein content of regular yogurt. It's also rich in probiotics, which aid digestion and support gut health. How much protein do you need? For seniors, the general recommendation is to consume between 1.2 and 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day, depending on your level of physical activity. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, about 68 kilograms, you should aim for around 82 to 136 grams of protein daily, spread throughout your meals. By incorporating these protein-rich foods into your daily diet, you'll ensure that your body receives the support it needs for muscle repair, growth, and overall strength. Protein is a cornerstone of muscle health, especially as we age. By consuming sufficient high-quality protein from sources like chicken, eggs, tofu, and Greek yogurt, you can repair muscle tissue, prevent muscle loss, and increase muscle strength. Making protein a priority in your daily meals will help you stay active, independent, and strong. Easy ways to boost your protein intake. Here are some simple ways to incorporate more protein into your meals. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach, topped with avocado, offers a healthy dose of protein, iron, and potassium. Snack on nuts and seeds. A handful of pumpkin seeds or almonds not only provides zinc and vitamin E, but also supplies healthy fats that fuel your body. Include leafy greens in every meal, whether in a salad or blended into a smoothie. Spinach and kale are rich in iron, potassium, and vitamin E, all of which support muscle health. Opt for lean meats. Chicken breasts and lean beef are excellent sources of protein and iron, which will help you stay energized and support muscle function. Incorporating these 5 essential nutrients, zinc, iron, vitamin E, potassium, and protein, into your diet is an effective way to combat muscle decline and maintain your strength as you age. Don't let muscle loss slow you down. Start fueling your body with the right nutrients today. It's never too late to take charge of your muscle health. Consistency is key, so aim to make these nutrient-rich foods part of your daily meals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below about which nutrient you plan to focus on first. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and strategies to help you stay strong and healthy. Thank you for watching. Stay strong and healthy.